Hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all remember these crochet locks that I installed? Well, it's been about a month and I'm going to show you how I removed these locks and reinstall them. Starting off with the products that I used, everything is going to be listed in the description box and it's going to be extremely detailed of what I used and everything, so you don't even have to worry about that. Starting off with removing these locks, it looks difficult, but I promise you it isn't. You have to be patient. You're going to basically, how I installed it, you're basically doing the opposite. You're going to go in a reverse motion where you're removing these locks until you see that exposed, look at how I'm pointing to it, that exposed plaited hair. Okay, this is how y'all be cutting y'all hair because you ain't patient, and you need to be a little patient when it comes to your hair, especially your edges. If you don't want to be walking around with no edges, and for the ladies with no edges, it ain't no shade, ladies. Just take your time. I'm telling you, was this a tedious process? I am not going to lie. It somewhat was, but I don't regret it because, well, the little edges I do have, I was able to keep them, okay? So as you can see, I have a lot of new growth and I am not going to throw away that hair. Okay. You see how I set it to the side? We need it because I'm going to be reusing it. So you can watch this video to basically learn how to uninstall your locks, or this is a versatile video. How to uninstall these locks and put them back in, or you just trying to take these out and be done with them, honey. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm taking my rat tail comb and I am taking my time. This is just a sped up version, but I took my time as far as unbraiding my hair, combing out that dirt. I know y'all seen that dirt, baby. I ain't dirty. It's just new growth and buildup. I'm joking, y'all. But I just took my time. I used this Blue Magic. I am trying to grow, all jokes aside, I am trying to grow my edges back out. So I'm trying to grease my scalp more, keep it hydrated. Sometimes I'll spray a little bit of water because I do believe, although we are block, we do need water. Although we are noir, our hair does need a little bit of water to stay moisturized. So as you can see, I'm touching up my edges, baby. We removed that lock. We combed out the dirt. We're plaiting it back up after we greased it. And now we are ready to put that lock back in. So I already have a video posted, like I mentioned, showing how I install these locks. So what you could do is you could use that video as a reference to install them. It's the same process, so I'm not even gonna talk your ear off. I'm just gonna let you watch in silence with a little bit of music in the background, of course. All right, now as you can see, this is an optional step. If you don't want to add any additional pieces, you don't have to. But the only reason I'm really doing this, y'all, is because I'm trying to save some coin and I'm trying to let this style stretch. So I'm literally just touching up the edges. So if you are one where you're just trying to touch up like myself, you can add the hair, or, you can be like, you know what, I don't want to. So this edge control or styling wax is amazing, you all. And what I'm showing you here is you can either go piece by piece, or you can remove all the edges and uninstall the locks at one time, or you could do it one by one. See, what I was doing here is I was removing that scraggly hair, because it just looked a little too matted, and then I just used some moves to touch it up. And that's the end of that. I like the end results. It's going to let it stretch a little bit longer. But tell me what you thought about this video. Let me know if it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.